Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video is going to be my unboxing of April's Allure Beauty box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So just FYI, just so you guys know, this is going to be my last Allure Beauty unboxing. I went ahead and unsubscribed, and this is my last one, so just to let you guys know. Alright, so first up, from something from YSL. This is an item that I got to choose the shade on. This is their Candy Glaze Gloss and Stick. It's a lip gloss stick. And I picked the shade 15, I think. I don't know if Candy Glaze is the shade. It just says 15 on there, but it also says Candy Glaze and Showcasing Nude, so I don't know which one. It says 15 on the back, so 15 is the shade. Now, I can't twist this up because this is one of those ones that when you twist it up, it doesn't go back down. Like, you can't untwist it up. So anyway, so here is the packaging. I'm actually really pleased to see this in the box. Sadly, I feel like the boxes got better once I unsubscribed. But I have a feeling if I subscribe back that they're just going to go back to the way they used to be. I feel like they're trying to keep me wanting more and to resubscribe. But anyways, here's the packaging. Pretty nice, fancy packaging. But anyway, so here is the actual shade. It's a very nice kind of peachy nude shade. I'm actually really excited to have gotten this. So the retail value on this is $42. That's a pretty penny. I knew YSL was pretty expensive, but dang. I didn't know they were that expensive. If you hear background noise or anything, my daughter and husband are in the other room, and they can get kind of loud, so just FYI. Alright, next up from Rodale. This is their Papaya Enzyme Scrub. Or is it Vite C? I don't know. Is it Vite C? I don't know what the brand is, but here, anyways, here is what it looks like. This is full size, and this retails for $50, which is pretty crazy for a scrub, but I don't know. Next up from, I'm probably going to butcher this pronunciation, but next up from Sasha Juan. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is their styling cream. And this is full sized, another full sized, and this retails for $39. I don't know if you'll be able, there you go. You can see it now. So $39 for that. And then I think this is the last full size product. Is from Beauty for Certain. Beauty for Certain. Playa to Palazzo. It's actually an eyeshadow palette, which I was surprised to see because this is the first time I've gotten a palette of any kind from Allure Beauty in their box. This retails for $39, and I believe this is a full size. Never heard of this brand. Beauty for Certain. That's what the brand name is. It's the plastic packaging. And then here is the palette. Very, very basic neutrals. Very much up my alley, but other people may think that it's boring, which I totally understand. But this looks like a nice everyday palette. It's got 4 mattes and then 1 shimmer shade. Try not to blind you with the mirror here, but I also want you guys to see the colors. My lights are kind of blinding out. There you go. Anyways, it's nice. I'm glad to see, like I said, an eyeshadow palette in here. And from a brand I haven't heard of, so that's nice. Alright, and then the rest of the products in here are samples. So, first up from Skin Co., this is their Truffle Therapy Toner. I believe I've received this before in BoxyCharm or something, but I got the full size of this. This retails for $27, but that's for the full size product, whereas this one is, like I said, just a sample. So I can't remember what I thought of this toner. At least I think I got the toner. I've gotten something from Skin & Co. before. I know I've tried this brand out before, but I can't remember what I thought of them. Alright, and then last but not least from, what is this? Innisfree. It's their Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream, or you could have gotten the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Cream, which is what I got. So I got the green tea one. So the retail value on this is $28, and like I said, this is, of course, a sample. So here's the cute little sample. It's just a baby. Alright, so that's everything in the box, and now I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the prices of this full-size product so that you guys know the overall value, and then after that I'll give you my final thoughts on everything. Alrighty, so the overall value for my box was $170, which was really good considering what I paid for the box. So, final thoughts on everything. You know, honestly, this box really wasn't that bad. It's still really heavy on non-makeup products, I will say, but, you know, having received 2 makeup products is really nice. And I'm really excited to get this YSL lip gloss, whatever. It looks like a lipstick, but they call it a lip gloss. So that's really, really exciting. And then the palette is nice, too. So, overall, it's not a bad box. I enjoyed it. Having said that, I still don't think I would resubscribe just because, like I said, I really feel like they upped the makeup. And when I say up, as in adding 1 extra, because the past 2 boxes, like, that I've gotten since I've unsubscribed have had more makeup in them. And yeah, so that makes me wonder if they're just like, hey, come back, we'll give you, but then I don't know if they would really keep giving me boxes with more makeup in it, or if it's just to get me to resubscribe. But I do feel like I got my money's worth. It's just, the reason why I unsubscribe is because I like makeup over skincare. I don't go through skincare fast enough. Not that I go through makeup faster, but, well, I actually may. But I enjoy getting makeup products. That's why I subscribed. So this box is just really heavy on non-makeup products, which is fine. You know, that's, you know, that might make other people really happy, or may make them want to subscribe because they may not want makeup products, and that's totally fair. You know, I don't have a problem with that. It's just for me. I just don't want to keep paying for something that I'm not really enjoying. But yeah, so overall thoughts. You know, I like the YSL, like I said, and then I like the eyeshadow palette. I will give this scrub a try. I don't mind scrubs. I don't know if I would ever repurchase this for that price. What was it, like $50? That's crazy. I don't know. I'm not going to say anything. Anyways, a styling cream is really interesting. I don't really style my hair much. My hair is just kind of, it's always been very straight and just, it is what it is. So but I mean, I'll use it. Maybe I will, you know, grow to like it. I don't know. I'll use it. I don't really have anything to say about it. And then the 2 sample sizes are, of course, more skincare. So yeah, I'll use them. But yeah, I really don't have any other thoughts aside from that. But there you go, guys. That's going to do it for today. That is my unboxing of April's Allure Beauty box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!